Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the no mirror makeup challenge. Now, the only place I could do this where I didn't have a mirror was outside. So with this camera I'm going to flip the viewfinder so I can't see myself. So the first step is to prime my face, and I'm just going to be using the Ox Studio, which is the brightening primer. Okay, now that my face is primed, I'm going to do my eyes first. So, today we're going to be using the Naked 3 palette by Urban Decay. Okay, now that the base is done, we're going to move on to something to more deepen the crease. Okay, now we're just going to go into the lower lash line. Just use a more dark colour. Okay, and now onto the shimmer. So I'm going to be using a mix of fuzz and dust. So it's going to get fuzz all over our finger and onto our lid. Same height. And now we're going to get dust with our pinky and just try to put it on the center of our eye. Okay, and now onto the eyebrows. So I'm just going to be using the Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit. This is one of my favorites. Now it's time for the mascara. So for the mascara today, we're going to be using the Volume Plus Length by Revlon. This is probably going to be really bad. And now onto the face. So I'm just going to be getting my Lancome foundation and just applying it as normal. So I usually do 2 pumps, so we're just going to do 2 pumps on the hand. I'm going to dot it all around my face and then blend. 1, 2, 3. And now it's time for concealer. So today we're just going to be using the Instant Age Rewinder by Maybelline. Okay, just twist it a few times. Now, time to blend. And now, it's time to bake. So when I'm baking, I really like to use a matte powder. So I'm just going to dip it in our powder. Under our eyes. Nose. And a little bit on our forehead. Okay, so now it's time for contour. Now it's going to dip into this shade here, and then contour our cheeks. Okay, and now I'm just going to get my Kabuki blush and blend it all out. And now we're just going to wipe off the excess powder from our baking. Just going to wipe here. Now, it's time for setting spray. So we're just going to use any setting spray to just set it all in place. So today I'm going to be using the Maybelline Masterpiece. Now what you do is, obviously, you spray it all over your face. Now some people just leave it there, but when I'm done, I really like to just blend the spray into the skin, so it just melts that powder and leaves your skin with like a skin type finish, rather than it being more powdery. Okay, let's go. Remember to always shake it up. Okay. Now it's time for blush. Today I'm going to be using the Sweet Peach Glow. I really like this palette because the blush is really good. I don't know, I really like it. And now it's time for highlighter. So today I'm going to be using the Sephora Illuminating Palette. I'm just going to be using the lightest shade here, which you can see is pretty pigmented and pretty light. Now I'm just going to go on our cheeks like so. And now for the lips. So today I'm just going to be using a simple pink lip gloss from Essence. This one right here. Now I'm just going to apply it to my lips. And this is the completed look. I really hope you liked today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below. Okay, and now it's time for the grand reveal. What you've all been waiting for. I haven't seen my face yet, but you guys have. So, let's go. That is actually okay. Like, I really like how the eyes turned out. The brows, they could definitely be better. But lips are good, the cheeks are okay. Yeah, but apart from the brows, I reckon I did a pretty good job. You guys can put your comments below and say how do you reckon I went on this challenge. Anyway, I'd really love to see you all do this challenge. Thanks for watching and see you next time.